Before we begin, make sure you're in a safe space where you can fully relax. Never in water, never while driving or doing anything that requires your attention. This is your time to pause, not push. Trust your body, take what serves you, and as always, let your intuition safely guide you. Welcome. Wherever you are, take a moment to arrive. Feel the ground beneath you and notice the way your body is held. By the chair, or the floor, or the earth itself, let gravity take over just a little bit more. Let your hands soften in your lap. Let your shoulders melt downward like warm wax, slowly settling into stillness. And if it feels safe, close your eyes. Let the outside world blur and soften as you draw your senses inward. This is your space, your breath, your moment. There's nothing to fix, nothing to perform, nothing to push. Just the invitation to return, to remember, to reconnect. Now that your body is grounded and your breath has begun to settle, bring your senses forward like gentle antennae. Feel the air on your skin and notice how it dances across you like a memory trying to be felt. Listen to the stillness, not as an absence but as a presence, like something waiting to be heard. Let scent rise up from your space around you like a forgotten story. Dust, linen, wood, time. Whatever is here now is part of your setting. You are stepping into the atmosphere of your own soul. Let it reveal itself layer by layer, like stepping into a dream that remembers you. And now bring your inner landscape into focus. Picture a room inside of you, a space that's been quiet for a long time, dusty perhaps. Untouched, dim, but it's yours. And today you're stepping back in. You might feel a flicker of discomfort here, resistance, uncertainty, even restlessness. That's okay. That's welcome. Discomfort is a doorway, and today you're walking through it to gently invite what's been hidden back into the light. This is the part of you that knew how to create before you were told to achieve. The part that knew how to feel before you were taught to filter. The part that knew how to trust yourself before the world got loud. Let that room open. Let the light shift. Let something stir. As we get ready to breathe in a rhythm, in through our nose, filling our belly, then our hearts. This is where we begin. Belly, heart, Exhale. Belly. Heart. Exhale. Breathe through your nose, filling your belly, then your heart. Exhaling softly through your mouth. Take one more moment in that room that you've entered. Look closer. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Beyond the dust and the silence, there's something tucked away in the corners. Maybe it's a flicker of beauty you've been too busy to see. Maybe it's a memory of joy, a passion you once carried like a fire. Maybe it's a quiet sense of direction that's never left, just got blurred beneath the noise. Let yourself move towards it. Belly. Heart. Exhale. Let your imagination reveal the beauty, the peace, the knowing. Let it be real, let it be felt. Feel your body as it exists in this light. Step forward. Slow. Steady. Connected. Let your chest expand like the opening of a window. Let your exhale be soft wind, releasing what you do not need. The air enters your nose cool and fresh. The air leaves your lips warm and softened. This is a rhythm. This is remembrance. This is your return. Belly. Heart. Belly. Heart. Let your body remember this rhythm. Continue to breathe in a rhythm. Belly. Heart. Belly. Heart. Now take a full, deep inhale all the way in and let your breath go all the way this stillness, sense the quiet hum of your own truth. You may feel it in your chest like a whisper waiting to rise, or in your belly, a deep, grounding knowing that doesn't need to be explained. Continue to hold, you are expanding. This is where your inner compass lives, the space under the noise. In this pause, repeat silently. My clarity lives in stillness. I'm safe to trust myself. I remember who I am. Taking a sip of air only when you need it, and continuing to hold and feel the expansion. Let this pause echo space and expansion through your body. When you can't hold any longer, take a strong, powerful breath in. Inhale from your root all the way up to your crown, feeling this new energy rising up. Feeling your body charged with possibility, filling the spaces that have expanded for you with pure light. In this stillness, awakening your imagination. Visualize a glow behind your forehead, soft, golden, and growing. See it shoot outward, connecting you with your truth. Feel it swirl around your heart, a warm pulse of permission. Let your creative energy stir, not as something to perform, but something to remember. Whisper to yourself, my creativity is part of my rhythm. I know who I am. And when you can't hold any longer, exhale. Releasing with a sigh. Return to your natural rhythm. Let it feel effortless. Let go of the pattern now. Let your breath find its own pace. Feel the soft ripple of aliveness in your body. Notice the space you just opened. You may feel warm or calm or nothing at all, and it's all welcome. Know this. Something ancient inside of you has stirred. Something wise is remembered. You don't need to do more. You just need to keep listening to your breath, to your rhythm, to the knowing that's always lived inside of you, exists here. Return to your true rhythm.